So let's coffee dye this some paper. Here it goes. Just brewed up a cup of coffee. I also added some espresso um, crystals that are in a jar to get it a little bit more darker. So we're just dipping it in this box that I got from Michael's to store your papers in. And it's a little dark, but I end up um, sprinkling more crystals and then letting it soak a little bit longer in this box. And then I decide putting it on the towel is not fast enough for me. So taking them out, all the papers are all different weights. So I decide we're going to move over to the oven. Yep, so first I put it on 250. That didn't really work. Too slow. Um, it was drying, but it was too slow. So we moved it up to 300, and 300 worked. Yes, he wanted me on camera. So there I am on camera. Okay, so we got this beautiful coffee dyed process here. I love this. Look at the lace. These still have to dry. I took them out of the oven, but I'm going to let them dry on the counter because now I have coffee dyed my entire kitchen. There's coffee drips everywhere. My hands are coffee dyed. Everything's coffee dyed. So I am going to give you a glimpse of that, and then I'm going to, yeah, wash the floor.